Graveyard shift, desert cold, coffee burn, radio low, screams when dark, no warning sign, whole damn world flatline. Then that hum cut through the air like a chainsaw through a prayer. We looked up, saw death on wings, didn't know what the hell to think. Thought we'd seen it all before, guns, boots, blood and war, but not like this, not that fast. Future showed up in a flash. From a silent sky they came, changed the rules of the game. We were standing in a storm with nothing left to blame. Never heard a sound that loud, never felt that kind of fear. Power fell right out the clouds, and the end was here. They didn't miss, they didn't rush. Every shot was enough. We shot back, but it didn't count, like throwing rocks at a house of steel. Then the air turned inside out, pain so loud we couldn't shout. Noses bled, knees hit dirt, felt my skull about to burst. Ain't no fighting what you can't see, ain't no courage in defeat. When the ground won't let you stand, and the sky's got the upper hand. From a silent sky they came, cold as November rain. We were standing in a war, already lost that day. That sound still haunts my sleep, still rings inside my brain. Some fights are over before they start, when power rules the reign. I ain't proud, I ain't brave, just glad I lived to see today. You don't forget a moment that shows you your place. From a silent sky they came, left a mark you can't erase. Old world guns, new world fire. We never had a chance. Count the cost before you fight, before you cross that line. Some wars don't need a spark. When the sky decides, yes, so I pray we never hear that sound, never see that light. Some wars end before they start, when the sky decides to fight.